here at Flamingo Land and we're going to ride SIK. Oh well, we're here, aren't we?
Yeah.
Flamingo Land.
First ever time.
Yeah, and we're with a big massive group, aren't we?
We are.
So thank you to Love to Explore for arranging this, but look at everyone here. We're all here for ERT of SIK, 45 minutes of that over there.
Yeah.
Well, it's good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I hope I get about 5 rides.
Hopefully so. Oh, looks like we're going down, Nev. Oh, you ready?
I think so.
I'm quite excited, to be honest.
I am.
Yeah, first time at Flamingo Land. We're going to do some riding. Yeah, we'll see what happens, shall we? Let's go. Well, we're in Nev, aren't we?
Oh, yay.
It's actually really nice, actually, isn't it? Never been here before, as I said.
It looks very clean.
It does, it looks very clean, very bright. Very impressed with things. Oh, wow. Looking forward to that one.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, wow. Very impressed. But first things first, let's get up.
Sick.
Well, we're here, aren't we?
Yay.
Oh, okay, ready. Very excited, to be
I'm
honest.
really excited.
Yeah. 45 minutes we're getting.
That's a long time, isn't it?
Yeah, and even though there's a big group of us, what's that, like 2 trains max? I don't know if
Yeah.
it's got 2 trains, to be honest.
Probably one.
And they got one, but I think they've got to go round and then the next lot will be on, won't they?
Exactly.
Oh, it's going to be really good. Hopefully it is sick. We had to, guys, now.
We did.
We did, didn't we? Well, no, look forward to it. You ready, Av?
I am.
5 rides.
Let's go.
Whoop, whoop. SIK, this way, Av.
Entry.
Are we getting in then?
Yes.
I'm really excited. We've just seen it testing, haven't we?
Me too, yeah.
Does look good. I like the look of this thing behind us, you see? Look at this red one. I'm not too sure what it is.
No, nor me.
Oh,
Velocity.
cheers, Ben. Thanks for that. Velocity, that one is. Oh, that looks good as well, though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. We'll get that one to go after, shall we?
Woo!
Oh, Have, you know what this is?
Shop
It's
tour.
not a shop tour. We'll have a little look around after, guys,
Yeah,
won't we?
we will.
But I think they made this coaster for us, haven't they? Are we through?
Yay.
Ooh, it's exciting, isn't it?
Very exciting.
Ooh.
I can't believe how close the coasters are together.
I know, yeah, you could literally got this red one and SIK like mixing between each other. That's pretty, it's like Blackpool all over again,
It is,
isn't it?
isn't it?
I don't think we're single riders, Have, do you?
No, we are definitely not single riders today.
Ooh, I'm very excited.
And me too.
This is quite funky, isn't it? So is this the station?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Well, I must say, it's a very well themed station. Oh, wow. We're on going to Glasgow.
I know, yeah.
Glasgow! Whoop, whoop.
Please take your seats, put your safety belt down and tuck your left in place. Our running team are here to help you.
What? It's nice, isn't it? Whoop, whoop. Drop the beat.
Thank you for riding SIK. You can now remove your safety belt. Please remain seated until the lap bars raise automatically.
Have
That
SIK.
was really good. That was so intense. Way better than Colossus. Yeah, that was brilliant.
It was absolutely amazing, wasn't
Yeah,
it, to be
it
honest?
was.
Really enjoyed it. It's so sick, to be honest. Like
Yeah.
fast and smooth.
Smooth, you go upside down so many times. At one point I did think I was going to fall out my seat, but I wasn't holding on. I had my arms off.
No, it was absolutely fantastic. Really
It
enjoyed
really
that.
was, me too.
Right, should we have a few more goes?
Come on then.
Go on then.
Are you ready to experience SIK?
Are you ready to experience SIK? It's their time. Round 4, Av.
Yay.
Getting a bit tired now, to be honest.
Yeah, it is very, very intense.
It is so intense of a coaster, to be honest.
Yeah.
That first drop's fantastic though, isn't it?
It is really good.
And yeah, I love all of it up until the washing machine bit at the end.
Yeah, and then you
It gets a bit much, doesn't it? Oh,
It does.
been attacked.
Emily's followed us.
Emily. Oh dear. Right, so we're going to get on for our fourth time. We've got about 5 minutes left, haven't we?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, wow, credit to the staff there and the ops. Well
they've been
done.
really good, haven't they?
Yeah, it's been really nice. Really enjoyed it. Sick. Oh, we're in the shop then, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
So this is the nice little thing that you have to come in through and out a gift shop.
Yeah.
So they know what they're doing there, don't they,
They
Flamingo
do,
Land?
definitely, but they've got some nice
They
merch.
certainly
This
have.
jumper, I really like that. It's only £45.
It's not bad, is it, that, to be honest? Oh, wow. It's pretty cool, isn't it, that?
Really nice. I might have to buy something today.
It looks like that's embroidered as well. It's not too bad. So this is SIK Silk.
SIK Silk, yeah.
And we've just seen the advert with Messi on, haven't we?
We are.
So that's
really
pretty cool.
like that jumper.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Right up my street.
Little bits of accessories. I like these joggers I do, you know.
Yeah,
Not too bad.
£2.50.
You know what it reminds me of, though? Silkston.
Silkston, yeah, it does look like Silkston, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
£17.50 for a top.
It's not bad, is it? Because we
their children.
believe this is an actual brand
I think
and they're partnered to sponsor the coaster, and that's why we got the shop. Not too sure, to be honest, but it looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
Game Pass.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy, isn't it? Oh, they're quite nice.
55, they are nice. And they've got little pockets.
Oh.
I really like these. That's a chuddy jumper. Oh, that's kids, I think.
32.50.
£32.50.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad at all.
No, some lanyards and things there.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Oh, what have you found, Dev?
Oh, £18.50.
That's not
I'm
bad.
going to buy a t-shirt.
You're going to get one in
Yeah,
there?
it's got SIK on the back. I am buying that today.
Oh, we'll come back and get it in a bit.
Yeah, we will.
Oh, well, it's a very nice little shop.
It
Very
is a
impressed.
cute little shop.
Sick. Well done. Well, sick. What did you think, Ev?
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. It's very intense. It's very fun. The lift hill's really quick.
It's just good behind us there.
The drop's really cool. The washing machine element like makes your head go funny. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's absolutely fantastic. And I think the merch is so nice as well. I'm so impressed.
Yeah, we're really impressed. As we said, it's our first time in Flamingo Land. First ride we've ever done here.
Yeah.
Fantastic, really smooth, really fast, really intense.
Yeah.
Smooth and intense doesn't quite work, but you get it, guys, if you've been on coasters. Yeah, it's just a washing machine element for us where you just spin for a bit.
Yeah.
Can hurt your legs a little bit, to be honest.
And just to pre-warn you, there are pigeons in the station, so you might get pooped on, so be prepared.
Be careful. It says good luck though, so you never
It
know.
is indeed.
Let us know in the comments if that happens to you. We've really enjoyed our little short ERT on SIK, haven't we?
We have.
Make sure you check out the rest of the Flamingo Land videos. See you soon.